Late MBC weathercaster Oh Yoanna's workplace bullying case has resurfaced as her colleague, who is accused of being the perpetrator, claimed that she never abused Oh. On Tuesday, at the first hearing of the civil lawsuit filed by Oh's family, the defendant said that the plaintiff's claims disregarded the context of the overall conversation, editing portions of the dialogue to assert that the deceased was the target of the workplace bullying. She said that she has never engaged in workplace bullying as defined by the Labor Standards Act and stressed that any claims that her actions contributed to Oh's death are a distortion of the facts. She further added, "We maintained a good relationship until the time of Oh's death. And considering that Oh had been struggling at the time due to personal issues, it is difficult to recognize a link between me and the deceased's death." Oh's family, however, responded, even if some of the messages appear to reflect a good relationship, it does not change the fact that the defendant harassed the deceased and caused her mental distress. The family added, "The seemingly friendly conversations were merely an attempt to avoid offending a superior at work and cannot be taken as evidence of a genuinely amiable relationship." Oh passed away in September last year at the age of 28. She left a 17-page suicide note on her phone and tragically ended her own life. In December last year, Oh's family filed a lawsuit against the MBC weathercaster, claiming that Oh had suffered verbal abuse and harassment from her co-workers for over 2 years. Then in May, the Ministry of Employment and Labor announced the results of a special inspection of MBC, confirming that Oh had suffered workplace bullying, but that MBC cannot be penalized for violating the Labor Standards Act, as Oh can't be recognized as a worker since she worked as a freelancer. The Seoul Central District Court is scheduled to hold the second trial session on September 23rd.